Okay, I'm here to announce the winner of the WD40 care package. It has been a week, and here's what you're gonna win. We've got dry lube, degreaser, bike wash, wet lube, the classic WD40, plus some cool stickers. So I just went about this by going online and using a Google random number generator, and then I'll correspond those numbers with the order at which the comments were received. So good luck. Drum roll, please. And the winners are number 41, Mark, number 6, Will, and number 31, Alumnrock 12. Thanks everybody for playing, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll try to get in touch with these winners and send them out via bike flights, and maybe you guys will have your cleaning packages by the end of the week, and then you can test them out after a rowdy weekend of ripping around in the woods or on the roads or in the gravel. Thanks, bye.